Welcome. Today, we're diving into an important topic that can help you save money while making your home more energy efficient. IRS Form 5695. This form is your ticket to claiming residential energy credits, which reward you for investing in energy efficient improvements to your home. For the year 2025, there are two major credits you should know about. First up is the Residential Clean Energy Credit. If you've installed solar panels, solar water heaters, geothermal heat pumps, wind turbines, or battery storage, you could claim up to 30% of the cost of these qualified systems. The best part? This credit applies to both your primary and secondary residences. Next, we have the Energy Efficient Home Improvement Credit. This credit is designed for those who have made upgrades like insulation, energy efficient windows, doors, HVAC systems, and heat pumps. You can claim up to $1,200 annually, with specific limits for each item. But keep in mind that this credit only applies to your primary residence. So, who can take advantage of these credits? Homeowners who make qualifying energy upgrades in 2025 are eligible. Just remember, this doesn't apply to rental properties, and the products must meet certification requirements, such as being Energy Star certified. Now, let's talk about how to fill out Form 5695. To make this process easier for you, I recommend checking out some fantastic video resources that break it down step by step. You'll find a clear walkthrough of the form, examples of completed returns, and explanations of how government subsidies can affect your credit calculations. There are also worksheets available to help you with the math behind your credits, ensuring you maximize your savings. As the founder and creative lead at Mannoe, I'm here to help you navigate this process. We can educate you on how to maximize your tax savings, create engaging YouTube content that breaks down each section of the form, and offer personalized consultations for homeowners considering energy upgrades. Our goal is to make this information accessible and empowering for you. If you've made energy-efficient upgrades to your home in 2025, don't miss out on these valuable credits. Contact Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com. And if you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tax tips and financial empowerment. Thank you for joining us today.